Bestie, I'm pretty sure that I just found the best Dutch door sticker book out right now, okay? And especially in these planner streets. Y'all, I can't wait to show y'all. Okay, I just went through some of the happy mail that I just received from my sweet, sweet friend, AmyPlansThings. These are some of her new releases for them today. And y'all, she sent me some goodies. So I was like, you know what, girl, let me turn the camera on and show my besties because y'all probably will want some of this stuff too. It's super cute. Okay, so y'all, thank you so much to Amy. I love her. So first, let me say thank you so much to Amy because I love your creativity, girl. You are just the bomb. And the fact that you hand drew these stickers, listen, let me just sing your praises because, girl, you're doing your big one. I love it. Okay, y'all. So, what I got in my package from her was these amazing washi. And first off, I was just saying how I need some pastel washi. Okay, and what I love about these are the size of them. Like y'all, she sent me so many. I love the size because I can like tear them and do my little tearing trick. Okay, don't judge me, but I like to do that because it makes me feel fancy in my planner. And it's all about the feels. Okay, do what feels good to you in your planner. I always say that. And so I love all of these colors, y'all. Look how pretty they are. And y'all know I am a big lover. Okay, love them down. Love my plaid washi, the pattern washi in general. Like love it. And I already know, like baby, you, me and you, we are one. Okay, I'm probably gonna use so much of you because purple is my color. It's my color. So thank you, Amy. Thank you, girl. And I love your little logo. It's so cute, y'all. Everything I have from Amy that she's created, like she just does her big one. So definitely go check out her stuff if you have not. And if I'm introducing you to Amy Plans Things, welcome, bestie. Okay, let me bring you all on over. Okay, y'all. Then she sent me this cute book. Okay, first off, I thought it was so unique. It's titled Fields of Lavender, and has moments and moods. Okay, a book of creative trackers. I thought that was so unique, y'all. So there's 23 pages of trackers and inserts in here, and there's 10 scrapbook papers, and then a page of date stickers. So we got our stickers. Love the font of these, of course, and then of course the purple, like you know. But y'all, let me flip through this. Look at the papers, right? And these are going to be so great in our journals. I know a lot of us are doing like the junk journaling thing, but y'all, let me not hold y'all. I use scrapbook paper in my planner too. Okay, I sure do. Y'all gonna see some in the future because I love it. I feel like it just adds a different layer to your planner spreads, you know, just like washi adds to the stickers, scrapbook paper does too. And get you some good old like Tumbo adhesive or just any type of like tape runner, glue these down. And then y'all look, she got some weekly spreads in here. I thought that was really cute and nice. So you can add these to your pages, like your blank pages, like or your journaling pages, like cut these out. Super nice. I love that. So I thought this was so fun and so unique, and it kind of helps take out some of the guesswork, you know, like when you want to like create your journaling layouts. And y'all, we even got a monthly calendar in here. I was like, girl, you better do your big one. Okay, you better do your big one. I thought this was cute. And I think I'm probably obsessed with it too because it's lavender fields, which I'm like, I know she sent me, she was like, I got some stuff I know you would like. So I'm gonna send you a little package. And I was like, girl, thank you. And then when I opened it, I was like, Amy, girl, these trackers, so up my alley. You were spot on. You were spot on. You know you're bestie for real because yeah. I'm using all of these, okay? Using all of these. Let me show you. Like, y'all, how cute is that, okay? Then, y'all, not only does she have this sticker book, like, I say sticker book, but this book, she got a sticker book to go with it, y'all, with hand-drawn stickers. I'm super impressed by this, okay? I love that she hand draws these. Oh, excuse me, y'all. But 356 stickers in here. And come on, lavender honey. So, like, y'all, look at this. Isn't that pretty? She drew these, y'all. I was like, girl, not the girl on the bike. I so love this. I love this. I love all of the full boxes. Like, I was like, yeah, do I want to do like a full, like, oh, this is so pretty. I love the clusters. I'm trying to decide how I want to use this, y'all. Say, I haven't done my currently spread for the month yet. Yeah, I'm behind. Don't judge me. But I was like, maybe this is the reason. I need to use some stickers like this. Like, this would be so cute. Like, I love these clusters. These take out a lot of guesswork, too, when you're trying to decide, like, you know, how you want to lay things out. Love it. Love the washi strips. Perfect for the Dutch doors too. I feel like, oh, and y'all know she's the Dutch door queen. So if you aren't introduced to that aspect of her creativity, come on over for real. Okay. Then y'all, like, we got these dates and stuff, and I'm like, oh, I could possibly use these in my daily grind planner. Oh, love. I love this. I love it. I love it. I love all of it. And these are clear. The other ones were paper, so these are clear, y'all. So super cute sticker book. Love the lavender. Like, y'all know I'm about to get down in my planner with these, okay? And probably my journal too. And speaking of the journal, okay, and you can do this in your planner as well. But she sent me some little corrections to some oops in the sticker book. So I'm like, girl, that's so nice. But y'all, I was so excited when I saw this. The Dutch Doors Volume 2. Okay, so this is Volume 2. Like I said, Amy is the queen of Dutch doors, okay? Check them out if you have not. I love her, like how she lays them out. They're always so beautiful to me. And she just made the game so much easier for beginners like your girl, okay? That would love to have a spread like that in her planner, but like, girl, trying to get the stickers to align right, especially when they aren't already mirrored. She solved the problem. Okay, so these are hand drawn by her as well, and the title of this book is Fresh Picked. So let's just talk about it, okay? So we got our washi. That's going to be great for the Dutch doors, along with this washi over here. I'm just feeling all the pastels, right? And this is giving plant vibes. We got our clusters to lay out our journal, spreads, lots of boxes. Yes, 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 yes. And y'all see how the stickers mirror each other? It's going to be so great. And the plant vibe is just speaking to me because I'm into my plant mom era. I love being a plant mom. I love my plants. And I need to make a spread in my planner for them. Actually, I was actually saying that. So this will be perfect. Oh, I love it. This edge work, that's going to be so good in our Dutch doors. And two, y'all, I think like there's like we can do so much with this sticker book, okay? Look at the baking. Super pretty, soft. I love this. And she drew these. You go, girl. You go, girl. Look at that, y'all. Like, this is going to be so great on the edge. So great. I love it. Look at that, y'all. Now we're to, like, the farm fresh vibes, which is all the rage for me right now, too, because your bestie is trying to do better in the nutrition department. Okay. These are so pretty. Another one of those edge work stickers laid out for us already. Then we got, like, picnic vibes with the lemons. Okay, so 4 themes in this sticker book. Super, super cute. Oh, I love the florals. Or is this a 5th theme? Oh, yes, it is. So it's 5. Love this, y'all. That's going to be so pretty. Look at the florals. Bestie. I had to show y'all, okay? I couldn't keep this to myself. I had to show y'all and come on here and do this little Happy Meal haul. Thank you so much, Amy, for sending these to your bestie. I feel so loved and I'm so grateful. And I can't wait to use them. So, bestie, y'all stay tuned to see how we throw down with these. See below so y'all can get y'all's hands on these too, okay? Bye.